Imagine waking up each morning not to the sound of urgent client emails or a packed schedule, but to the peace of knowing your income is flowing in effortlessly.
Picture a life where you can spend quality time with your girlfriend, pursue your passions, and travel without financial constraints. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality waiting for you with the anti-agency method. But let's be real. Right now, you might feel overwhelmed and trapped in a never-ending cycle of chasing clients and juggling projects. The anxiety of living gig to gig is palpable. You're stuck in the time for money trap, where every hour you work earns you $1, but it's never enough. The hidden cost? Your health, relationships, and peace of mind are at stake. Every moment spent hustling for that next paycheck is a moment lost from the life you truly desire.
I get it. I've been there too.
I was once an overwhelmed marketer, drowning in demands and deadlines, feeling like I was constantly falling behind. It took several breakthroughs and aha moments to make the transformation and believe it's possible to break free.
I created the anti-agency method, which helps professionals just like you automate their income and reclaim their lives.
You're not alone in this journey, and there's a path to your freedom. Here's a glimpse of what's possible. By implementing this shift towards automation, you can decouple your time from your income. Simplicity breeds action. Imagine complete automation.
Yes, it's possible, and not just a daydream. The real AI revolution has begun. The old slavery script we inherited from our parents, that exchange time for money, has ended. We can create systems and automations that generate value without your constant presence. And it's way much simpler than you think.
In our next session, we'll dive deeper into the anti-agency method and uncover how you can transform your business model entirely. What if you could build an asset that generates income on autopilot, like a software tool but without the hassle? Imagine the freedom in time, money, and location.
For now, take a moment to think about this and imagine, what would you do with your newly found freedom?
Write it down and share it with me. But don't share your visions with others who don't understand your journey and just poo-poo your confidence and label it as daydreaming.
Download the guide below. See you in the next video, where we will learn more about the exact transformations that lead you there, and don't forget to download your free guide.